A train detected ahead. Rerouting to avoid delay.
Got it.
Turn right onto West 5th Street. Then continue for half a mile. You will rejoin Tillotson Avenue in 2/10 of a mile.
Perfect.
Radio 4, blocked by freight at Tillotson. Reroute me.
Recalculating. Turn right on Garrity Street.
Sorry, officer. Alley closed and the last car clear.
You kidding me? Control suspect's vehicle just beat the crossing.
Train blocking road ahead. Finding alternate route. New route found. Turn left on Cedar Loop in 3/10 of a mile. This route is 4 minutes faster. Continue for 1.2 miles. Then turn right onto State.
Come on, that's a long one.
Train ahead. Rerouting for a faster arrival. In 200 feet, turn right on Franklin Avenue.
Got it, let's go.
Continue on the new route. Arrival in 6 minutes.
Muncie became a railroad town in the 1860s when new lines stitched it to Lafayette, Fort Wayne, Cincinnati, and beyond. Steam engines carried glass, steel, and people, turning the city into an industrial hub. The Weiser Street Depot opened in